Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laundry hampers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fluky Slim Laundry Basket with Lid. This hamper is designed for small spaces, measuring just 9.8 inches in width. It's perfect for compact bathrooms, bedrooms, or laundry rooms where every inch of space counts. The standout feature here is the removable inner bag, which makes it easy to carry laundry without lugging the entire basket. Plus, the inner bag is machine washable, a rare and convenient touch. The Fluky hamper also scores high on aesthetics, with its stylish bamboo handles and lid. The bamboo frame feels sturdy and adds a touch of elegance, while the Oxford fabric is durable enough to withstand daily use. However, its slim design means it's best suited for singles, couples, or small households. At 75 liters, it's not ideal for families with a high laundry load. While this basket is lightweight and easy to assemble, it falls short in terms of capacity and stability. It's a great pick for tight spaces and minimalist designs, but if you need something for heavier or bulkier items, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a solid option for small apartments or secondary laundry storage. Coming in at number 4, we have the Home Hacks 2-pack large laundry baskets. These hampers offer a freestanding design thanks to the sturdy metal frame embedded in the edges, making them stand upright even when empty. With a combined capacity of 150 liters, 75 liters per basket, these hampers are a practical choice for families or dorm rooms. The premium cotton and flax material, along with the PIVA waterproof coating, ensures durability and keeps your clothes dry. The double reinforced handles are long and sturdy, making it easier to carry even when filled to capacity. What's more, the collapsible design is ideal for those who value compact storage. However, while the Home Hacks hampers are versatile and easy to maintain, they do lack some premium features like a lid or inner removable bag. Additionally, the freestanding design can feel less robust compared to hampers with rigid frames. Still, for the price and the fact that you get 2 hampers in one set, this product offers great value for everyday use. At number 3, we have the LifeWit 2-pack laundry hamper. This set boasts an ultra-large capacity of 80 liters per hamper, making it perfect for larger households or anyone who generates a lot of laundry. The freestanding design is supported by a sturdy iron wire frame, which ensures the hampers stand upright without collapsing. What sets this product apart is its thoughtful design. The long reinforced handles make carrying the hampers easy, even when fully loaded. The waterproof PE coating inside protects your clothes from moisture and allows for easy cleaning with just a damp cloth. Plus, the collapsible design is ideal for those short on storage space. While these hampers are practical and highly functional, they do lack a lid, which may be a drawback for those who want to conceal their laundry. Additionally, the lack of compartments means less organization for sorting laundry. Overall, the LifeWit 2-pack offers excellent value, especially for families or shared living spaces. In the runner-up spot, we have the LifeWit 100L Laundry Basket with Lid. This hamper is all about convenience and capacity, with its 100-liter storage space and removable inner bag, which makes transporting laundry a breeze. The lid is a great addition, keeping odors contained and the space looking tidy. The bamboo handles add a touch of sophistication, while also being highly functional, providing a sturdy grip for carrying. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the support rods that give the hamper its freestanding structure. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. One downside is that the fabric, while durable, may not be as moisture-resistant as some other models. Still, the LifeWit 100L excels in its combination of style, capacity, and functionality, making it a top choice for families and anyone who values a clean, organized space. Finally, at number 1, we have the Solidi Laundry Hamper with Lid. This 100-liter hamper is the perfect combination of durability, functionality, and modern design. The thick support rods and MDF panel at the base ensure that the hamper maintains its shape, even when fully loaded. The standout feature here is the removable inner bag, which allows you to transport laundry without moving the entire hamper. The lid keeps your laundry hidden and your space looking neat, while the moisture-proof fabric ensures your clothes stay dry. It's also incredibly easy to assemble and can be folded flat when not in use, making it a fantastic choice for small spaces. The Laundry Hamper offers everything you could want in a laundry basket: style, practicality, and capacity. While slightly heavier than some other options, its robust build and thoughtful features make it worth the extra weight. This is a premium product that delivers on all fronts and is well deserving of the top spot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.